Trend Alert con Tessa Peters.
Con un tremendo evento combina con un workshop fantastico, Penha lanza el línea de maquillaje super trendy y hip Urban Decay, special para tour makeup junkies y están que te gustan el maquillaje un tiki shocking y artístico.
Well, Urban Decay, as we say it, is always beauty with an edge. It's not just your normal makeup that you see. It's people who love to express themselves. So we have all the products that you want to, okay, where can I find this? Where can I find this? Urban Decay would have it. It's from the color, from the texture, and how you use it, and all the special products. We have primer, potions, setting sprays that you don't see with other brands. So it's really for the makeup lover who loves to express themselves through makeup, and that's what makes Urban Decay beauty with an edge. Everyone knows us for having like a strong assortment for eyes, like from the naked palettes, which a lot of people love, the eyeshadows and the primer potions. But what you have to experience is like the full line. It's not just eyes anymore. It may have been big with eyes before, but now it's amazing with face. We have one of the strongest foundations in the market. And then we have lipsticks, which is the fastest growing lipstick range in the market. And we'll have more surprises about the lipsticks this year. What's exciting about Urban Decay is what we call this a litmus test. So everything that we do, we make sure that it's fun, it's dangerous, it's feminine.
Teko e nombre na picante di e producto na.
That's how we keep the brand exciting, and that's how it has always been. The brand has been present for 20 years, and we still have that in our DNA, and we make sure that people who loved us before can still love us now, and the new customers that we engage, especially here in Aruba, whatever they see now is what they will see in the next coming years. We try to maintain that because that's the identity of the brand, and you want to keep to that identity.
Como fanático novo, abo por comienza que tremendo naked palette, pero si ya acaba abo tu persona extravagante e electric palette, te palette pabo.
You start with a naked palette because it's like your basic look. If you want the no makeup look, that's what you do. But I encourage them to try the lipsticks and the electric palette.
El línea estupendo, fabuloso y trendy di Urban Decay está solamente obtenible na Penha, situada Plaza Daniel Leo, Calle Grande.
Belleza